Lie down on your back with your feet separate, hands slightly away from the body and palms facing up. If this position is uncomfortable or not available for you for any reason, just make sure that you find yourself a comfortable position. We'll start with tensing and relaxing the body, allowing the physical body to just go. So bring your awareness to your feet, point and flex them. Lift your legs a few inches off the floor, tense all the muscles of your legs, and relax. Then tense your buttocks, lift your pelvis up just a little bit, hold it for a moment, and let go. Then make fists with your hands, and then separate the fingers, lift the arms just a few inches off the floor, hold the muscles, hold it, hold the tension, and release. Then take a deep breath, feeling the lungs, feeling the chest expanding. Feel the air in, tensing the chest, opening the chest. Hold the air in for a moment, and then release. Let go of that. Taking even deeper breath, allowing the breath to go all the way to the abdomen, feeling the abdomen expanding, tensing, puffing up. Hold it for a moment and release. Let go. You can bring your shoulders up towards your ears, tense them a little bit, and then stretch them down towards your feet, and release. Now you can roll your head from side to side, rolling to the left, to the right. Bring your head to the center, allowing it to sink into the floor. And then tense all the facial muscles towards your nose. Hold that tension for a moment, hold it, feel it, and let go. You can open your eyes, open your mouth, stick your tongue out towards the chin, and release, letting go of any tension in the body. Notice the breath coming in and out. Feel the air in your nostrils. And then notice your feet as you breathe in and out. Bring your awareness to your feet. Feel any sensations in your feet, anything that's there. Then move your awareness to your hands as you breathe in and out. And notice any sensations, pulsation, anything that's present in your hands as you are breathing in and out. And then bring your awareness to your right foot. And imagine that you are inhaling to the right foot all the way up into the pelvis, and exhale out the left foot. Inhaling through the right foot all the way up to the hip, and then cross your pelvis, and exhaling from your left hip all the way down to your left foot. Practice that for a few moments, inhaling through your right foot all the way up to the pelvis and exhaling from the pelvis down the left leg. And then let go of that. Bring your awareness to your left foot and inhale through your left foot into the pelvis and exhaling out through the right foot. So inhale through the left foot all the way up to the pelvis and exhaling down the right leg all the way to the right foot. So practice that for a few moments, inhaling through your left foot, bringing the energy up and exhaling from the pelvis all the way down the right leg. Practicing that for a few moments. And then let go of that practice. Just stay here for a few moments. Just breathing in and out. Relaxing. And then bring your awareness to your right hand. And imagine you are breathing in through your right hand, all the way up the arm to your right shoulder. Cross your heart center and exhale down from your left shoulder all the way to your left hand. So inhaling through your right hand up the arm to the right shoulder, crossing the heart center, and exhaling from your left shoulder down the left arm to your left hand. Practice that on your own for some time. Let go of that practice. Bring your awareness to your left hand now and inhale through your left hand all the way up to your left shoulder. Cross your heart center and exhale from the right shoulder down the right arm through the right hand. So inhaling through your left hand up the arm to the shoulder, crossing the heart center. Exhaling from the right shoulder down the arm to the right hand. Practice that for a few moments on your own. And then let go of that practice. And just stay here for a moment, noticing any energy changes in your body, noticing anything that's present. And now bring the awareness to the crown of your head. Bring the awareness to the base of the spine. And imagine you're breathing in through the crown of your head all the way down to the base of your spine. And you exhale from the base of your spine, from the root all the way up to the crown of your head. Inhaling from the crown of the head down to the base of the spine. And exhaling up from the base of the spine to the crown of your head. And practice that for a few moments on your own. And let go of that practice. Just notice your whole body now. Noticing your entire body. And imagine that you are breathing through your whole body, in and out. Your whole body breathing. Sense your whole body breathing. And try to sense this energy beyond your skin, beyond your physical body. Breathing in and out and expanding that energy from your physical body beyond the skin, in and out. And letting go of that practice. Just notice your breath. You can deepen your breath. feeling the movement of your body as you breathe. Feel that breath in your physical body. Feel the subtle movement of your chest, of your abdomen. Start moving your toes, your fingers. If you feel like rolling your head from side to side. Slowly bring yourself into the fetal position. Stay here for a moment. And whenever you're ready, find your way up. To a comfortable sitting cross-legged position. Notice how you feel. And this is the end of the practice. Om Shanti. Om Peace.